Hi everyone, welcome to the Back 40 Feet where we talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. And today I'm going to be reviewing some fabric soaker hoses. You can see my previous video on using soaker hoses and drip hoses for irrigation for your garden, but there's a new product out that they're made out of fabric. On the left is a 25-foot hose, on the right is a 50-foot hose, and then it comes with these plastic earth staples. I'm not entirely sure how successful those are going to be, and then a connector. So these have been set into my raised bed gardens. I haven't stapled them down yet to make sure that I have them in the right location. And these are really super lightweight, which makes it very easy to put down. If you do use these, you should make sure that they don't get twisted. So what I did is I made sure that the seam was always on the bottom. And here's the soaker hoses up and running after a couple of repositioning to find out what's best. But you can see that they're dripping nicely all the way to the end. This is the 25-foot. And over here is the 50-foot in the raised bed. And it's able to get the water all the way to the end. As I've mentioned in my previous video, you shouldn't have any soaker hoses longer than 50 feet because then you won't have enough water pressure to get to the end. But this is a good test for these hoses because you can see that it is getting all the way through to the end of the hose. Thank you for watching.